Here we are on this pool. You can see the lights are not the same color. We've got two greens on the end, two blue in the middle, and a blue in the hot tub. So we're going to attempt to reset the lights and synchronize them. All right, using the Jandy system to reset the pool lights, you can't use the handheld because it's going to ask you to pick the color. So you go to the outdoor panel, put it in service, and we have pool light here. We're going to turn it on. Okay, once it's on, we're going to turn it off for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back on. Everything should be white. Let's go take a look. Okay, 3 of them reset, but the 2 on the outer edges did not. If you can see them. That one went to white, that one went to white. That one is still a green color. And so is that one. We'll try one more time. Okay, on the first attempt, only 2 of the lights reset, 2 of the 4. So we're on. Turn it off for 5 seconds. And back on. We'll see if that did it this time. Okay, same problem. So what that tells us is these 2 outer lights that are staying green. That one's white. This one over here is green. The other one's white. And the one down on the end is green. So that means the 2 lights on the end are bad and they just need to be replaced. Okay, in this case, we've got 2 of the lights that did not reset. They're just staying green, and pretty much the Jandy lights normally fail green when they quit changing colors. So at this point, it's best just to replace the light, and we'll be back in business.